Time to check out the new digs. Yay, last house together. There's the bathroom. Nice shower, toilet, nice closet area. Noisy. Bedroom. Very nice. Leads out to the balcony. Show you that later. Hey, we have a butt. Oh gosh, it's moving. Kitchen. Dining area, living area. See Johnny lounging on the couch over there. Say, hey girl. Cleaning supplies. Alright, down the hall we have bedroom numero 2. Nice little makeup spot. More closet area. Safes. Let's see the bedroom. Ooh. Goes out onto the deck. And one more room, which is the master. Double sinks. Nice tub. Toilet. Shower. And lots of closet space. Desk. I think this is the nicest Airbnb we've stayed at yet. Bed. Look at that. Nice king bed. And it goes out on the deck. With jets. There's a shower there. Shower yourself off. Got some seating. Oh, I wish we were staying here for longer. Nice bed and look at this view. The sun is gonna set right there.